13-year-old eat out your asshole.
What?
You're fucking gross, dude.
Whoa.
That's fucking...
Fuck you.
Well, I mean, I don't know what you heard, but I heard Zach White likes to get his asshole eaten out.
Yeah, dude, that's what I heard.
Not only that,
And
but
fucking
after that,
I don't want to see the
after that, he likes to beat women.
My cigarette.
My
We're all
cigarette.
sharing a
You
cigarette.
don't like bitches fucking
my
eat.
cigarette.
Zach said he wants to stick a chick's titties in a meat grinder. That's what he said, man. He said he wanted fucking tit sausages.
Tit sausages.
Fucking crazy ass. Fucking butthole sausages. What the fuck's your deal? Yeah, hit that shit, dude. Pass it, man. What are you doing?
Here, take a drag of my cigarette.
Oh, is it a good Turkish blend?
Party foul. Pick it up. Pick it up. It's your hit, man.
Second party
The
foul
drag.
with Zach
Well,
White.
I guess I'm going to have to.
Fuck that shit, man.
That sucks, Troy. You shouldn't have dropped it.
You know what? I hope you get fucking butt AIDS.
Hey.
But
Fucking
Man, I hope you get butt AIDS too, man.
fucking gypsy crank, man.
I'm calling you butt AIDS.
Straight out
Hold on a second.
Straight out of Edmond. Crazy ginger
no,
man,
wrong song.
Z-Dub.
Wrong
Hey, we
song.
shouldn't stand
They
around
did
the
other songs
show.
besides that. What?
Crazy, crazy ginger name, Z-Dub. Likes to get his asshole eaten out in the bathtub. Fucking crazy ass.
Fucking ginger explosion right there.
Yeah,
Crazy.
fucking ginger orgasmo.
Ginger sodomy.
Ginger
you're
fucking
right,
butt pillage, man.
Ginger auto sodomizer.
Fucking gypsy auto grinder.
Gypsy auto grinder.
That was good. Okay, your turn.
Dude, I'm a fucking grown up. I got an apartment, man.
Put it up again.
Shaw.
Booyaka shot.
Crazy ass fucking butthole ginger.
Whoa. Whoa. Hey.
Don't take any more.
What?
Don't take any more.
Hey, do those other two people
Don't take any
leave?
more.
Okay, let's turn it off.
Sean and...
I'm gonna turn it off. What time is it?
It's time for us to go.
What time is it?
Stop!
Oh, ow! Honey! Oh, that's bad. Oh, honey.
Stop!
What?
Kent!
I'm gonna document all of it and I will sue you.
Don't
I
take
have
any
all of it
more.
on video. God damn.
Kent! I thought Zach was getting his ass eaten out.
No.
Kent, stop. I'm gonna kick your ass.
I'm stopping. God